chat. Our live chat is where I post for the giveaway. So you got to be there. Futuristic Day Trader said, can you walk us through the current trade? Yep. I'm going to walk you through this trade real quick, and then I'm going to bring Tanner on. So the idea here was overnight, market just drifted higher, made new all-time highs. So I bought it at 67.77, and I put a stop at the overnight lows, 15 points, right near previous day New York VWAP. I used 3 key VWAPs: previous day New York VWAP, the daily, the overnight VWAP, and then the New York VWAP. So I put the stop down there. Let's see if this is going to hit. Stop down there at that previous day VWAP, and I was looking for the orders at 82 here to fill. I said I was going to take some off at 82. So let me get some of this off here. Close 5 there. I think I can try to run this up to 90. So I'm going to move my take profit up too. And then we'll bring Tanner on. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Good to see you, dude.
What's going on?
Tanner.
You
Dude,
see,
I like the fucking hat, bro.
we got
Where are you? This guy's always fucking traveling. Just like, oh, where are you right now?
I'm in Mexico.
I love it. Oh yeah, that's right. You're somewhere close to Puerto Vallarta, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Sayulita.
Sayulita. Don't get it wrong.
Sayulita. Sick. That's awesome.
Tanner, what are we doing today? Are we Tanner already in a trade, Tanner? Or are we going?
No, we're composed, not psycho Tanner today.
Oh, then everybody's gonna leave. Don't tell them that. They want you to go crazy, dude.
No,
Tanner,
we're chilling right now.
I saw your post on Instagram, and I was watching that trade yesterday, and somebody in our chat was like, Tanner's in this long YM because YM was ripping off the open. And I'm glad you closed it at the top, baby. That was
dude.
Beautiful close.
So
nice, dude.
So this is something where this is a good little tip for everyone. Like, I obviously review all the time. Everyone's just still reviewing no matter what stage you're at in your trading. So I was going through like a bunch of my review and shit, and I was like, what is not working right now for me, like with the way I usually trade in this market? And that for me is these targets. I usually go for some of these bigger targets that like run and take liquidity, but like we're just not seeing it as much. So like when I'm getting pretty decently close, I'm kind of doing the Austin method where I'm like, you know what, I'm up here. Let me take the green and get out. And then also it's just like a confidence thing. It's like, if I see green and I take green and I build back some base hits on the board, putting up green, I feel better mentally. So I'm like, you know what? That's my priority right now when I'm trying to focus on. And so that's what I'm doing. And so sure enough, you know, like today we'll see like what sets up. But my one trade, I wanted YM actually. YM's ripping right now, but I wanted to retest the 800. We didn't get it. We just ripped right at the open all the way through VWAP. But
you know
why?
Because I think everyone will come into a Friday after we're up every day this week and they'll try to short the open. It has to pull back, Tanner. No, it
has to pull back. You're right. It does. Yeah, it has to pull back.
That's the mindset, though, that I think the algos play off of that when they see people trying to short ideas like that, because that's not a trading strategy, especially in a US indice that just goes up every year. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not an idea to just get in front of the train.
Yeah, for sure. So I like YM today a lot. What's up?
No, we got no news today, so.
Yeah,
they canceled. They canceled the NFP on the shutdown.
They did. They did cancel the NFP on the shutdown. So
it'll probably come out next week, I think. Then, right when the government reopens, they must just
probably. I wonder if they randomly drop it. That'd be crazy.
Yeah, this thing's ripping for me. You see this?
That would be wild.
Yeah, this looks solid, dude.
I mean, Randy, you see 6,800s cooking orders, bro. Why not 6,800? We're at 67.85. Why not? Is my question. Whether we bang it in just this one move here, or like I'm gonna be break even on this on the rest of it, and I asked for 82, we got 86. Yeah, like at this point, we could. I'm gonna try to trail this up to 6,800, see if we can bang it in one move. But if not, we could just get a retest and get another one, get a little more off. What's up, Lawrence?
Randy, if you told me you were a Mexican gangster, I believe you.
¿Cómo estás?
What's
up, buddy? Good to
What's
see
going
you,
on, guys? How y'all doing?
Happy Friday. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, quite the pullback there.
Yo, look, right. I guess I broke that thing even pretty good timing there.
Yeah, dude. Good. Wow, good exit. Holy shit.
Yeah. That was
see this is what I'm talking about, bro. It's this type of shit. It's like well, that was a prior day. That was a QQQ prior day high rejection. So it makes a little more sense. But damn, that was aggressive, bro.
I mean, it's an aggressive pullback here too. Bookmap got dark. Do we have news today?
We actually have something on Forex Factory. It said at 7 a.m. At 10 a.m.
9:45 S&P Services PMI, and then 10 a.m. ISM Services PMI. So services PMI here at what do we got in 3 minutes? Yeah.
So Tanner, was that the high on QQQ then? We're rejected right now?
Well, we just rejected prior day high, regular trading hours prior day high.
I got you. Yeah, I know in the overnight session, the 67.85 level was price didn't get above it for quite a bit and broke above it and then pulled right back down after that. So
my best exit on that was 83, 77 to 83 on ES.
This YM, if we can pull back here and hold like DIA VWAP, which is around, it's getting close here, actually, really, really close. I might try along somewhere in this area.
Will you do it into the news or after the news?
I'll do it into the news. Fuck it.
What's up with you, Lawrence? How's your week? Good?
Everything's good, bro. I can't complain.
Yeah, packed up and ready for LA?
I'm not packed. I'm not packed.
What is there to
mentally
pack?
ready.
Even in a week.
Dude, okay, what dude packs like 5 days before a trip, bro? It's the night before. I throw shit in the bag and I'm good to go. Like,
no, I'm not even gonna lie. I know there's someone in this chat that definitely talks to ChatGPT about their trip and tells it, plan me my outfit so I know exactly what to pack. And then ChatGPT gives it a pack list and you pack exactly what. I know somebody in the chat.
Somebody.
How do we zoom in on Austin right now? Like, how do we just zoom the whole screen in on Austin? Like, bam.
Why? Randy, you don't know me like that, bro. Stop looking at my browser history, dude. Chill out.
Man, I love you.
No, Lawrence, so what's up? You got trades this week? What's been good?
Yeah, so yesterday was a red day, small red day. Day before that, big green. Yesterday, small red. Day before that, no trade. Day before that, big green, and the day before that, small red. So
nice. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. I'm 1-3, but that's normal. That's normal for me. Like I'm going to lose like two.
Right.
Yeah, I'm going to lose like 2 or 3 trades per week.
Do we like this retest, Tanner? You getting long? What are you thinking?
No, I didn't get a retest on YM yet of the VWAP.
Okay, so you're look, and Q pulled back much harder.
I'm still chilling. I like that little sweep there you just pulled up though. That was so I'm looking for, I want to see maybe around like the 9. Let's see, it just depends what lines up a VWAP. So this is like 935s on YM around there. I want to see how that gets retested and potentially holds. Or if not,
maybe get your screen up too.
One more test. Yeah, one more test of 900. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Don't be sorry.
YM still got to tap its all-time highs too.
Yeah,
I know. That's the play. So actually, I took a swing trade, dude. The swings have been swinging, man. I took a shorter term swing, smaller size yesterday on YM, literally at 46,600 on some options, and so I'm up right now. I'm up 60%, but it was only like I only put like $700 into it. It's kind of smaller play, but still, it's like this thesis is thesising. So I'm like, okay, cool. Feels good. But for the day trade right now, I'm not really getting much to work with. So
we're gonna get something here. Bookmap's going dark. You still have orders at 67.90 on ES, and then down at 62. If there wasn't news, I'd be long right now because
I got that news coming in. Hang tight.
I got New York VWAP, overnight VWAP, previous day VWAP, everything trending up. Already made money on the longs here today. I'm up 150 on the 5 accounts. So I'm like, this would be a good retest here. But does this news shake it? It's out 54.2, forecast 53.9. So Randy,
dude, I love on the swing update, Apple got downgraded today. I don't know what retard would downgrade Apple. But Apple got
coming out with glasses.
Today.
They canceled something and they're coming out with their version of the Meta glasses.
Well, yeah, they got downgraded. And if you look at Apple, just like literally fucking pulled back in the pre-market and they just ate it all back up. And now we're right back to highs on this daily consolidation. It's fantastic. So
can we argue about that though? Apple's not innovating and it's annoying. I bought the new phone. It's coming on Saturday. I'm getting the new phone. So it's like, I'm not a hater. Yeah. I'm just being honest. I don't feel like they're innovating.
Honestly, just once it hits 265, that's all I care about. And I'm going to exit the rest of my runner.
You're like, innovate for shit. Just get to 265. I don't give a fuck.
Give me
you're
265.
Like, your own shares so I can get 265.
And then also, remember the UNH that we talked about quite some time ago?
Yes.
I actually did finally enter some leaps on that.
I think you told us that.
Yeah, and now it's looking decent. So I mean, I got March calls, which are pretty far out.
Yeah,
but I'm up 30% on those, which is nice. So
nice.
We'll see how that does.
So yeah, I'm looking at everybody, especially chat, ASFX TV. Like this hasn't broken opening range yet. We're 2 minutes since opening range has been set. The range size is 17 points. So it's a good size range for a Friday. I just want to emphasize, like, don't come into today being overly bearish, especially now. Look at the open. It's buyers retesting, buyers still showing their hand here on ES. You don't want to try to call a top. You're going to be way more frustrated with yourself losing those trades than if you lose trending trades. And with Bookmap showing orders at 90, look, 6,800 is so hot now. Like, I feel like 6,800 is inevitable. 68.
I got in long a minute ago, Austin.
Yeah, I mean, it's coming off VWAP. It's a good price. 80, 82 is a good price for the long. The thing about this, everybody, what I was trying to get at, sorry, Randy, the thing about it, Randy tries to derail me, but if it breaks opening range high, it could be one of the 2 or one of the 1 out of 10 times it just rips, but I wouldn't expect it to just break 86 and go. I would expect it to break 86 and do something, and then at some point pull back. So I think you could still get a trade that looks like this, where it comes out, however high, and then comes back into the 90 to 86 area, and you're trading a retest out of there. So just keep that in mind, because you have not had opening range break, and we know first break of opening range does not always run. So just keep that in mind. And you got a shit ton of orders up there at 90, Randy.
How's your week been, Randy? As far as trading,
It's been good, man. I took a payout on Monday, my first day here, and then just yeah, I've had a couple trades each day. I finished each day green, so I'm finding I'm not at the charts like I would be at home in my office.
No, you're definitely
Like,
not. I tried to text you and you didn't answer me.
I'd hope not, dude. Fucking, you should be drinking 1,700 Modelo's. Like,
No, I know, but Tanner, I'm here for a month, right? Like I went to the gym every day this week. Every single day.
shit, that's awesome. I didn't know you're there for a month. That's crazy. That's
yeah.
awesome.
So I like I'm like mentally like in a really good spot right now. So
I love that.
Yeah,
I love
feel
to hear
good.
that. That's awesome.
I'm eating well. I'm going to the gym. I'm sleeping good.
Good work.
You know, like I just stuff that was lacking at home. I find that I'm like getting a lot more clarity here.
Good.
Nice.
That's beautiful. I love to
But
hear
in your
that.
point, Tanner, I was watching this interview with Jason Oppenheimer last night, and he's like, you know, he does very well. Super successful real estate guys in California. And like, he doesn't really believe in like saving money. He's like, I spend my money. He's like, I treat my friends to things. He's like, what do you want to die with a bunch of fun coupons in your bank account? He's like,
Yeah.
you do what you need to do, and then you got to enjoy it a little bit. So I do have thoughts towards what you're saying a little bit about like, damn, I could spend a little bit more sometimes. You know, I am super Jewish.
Austin, read that book. Die with Zero. Read
Die
that
with
book.
Zero.
Die with Zero.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
It's about an ultra rich guy that just like doesn't want to have a penny when he dies, but it's not like being like stupid with it either. It's really
Right.
it's a really good book.
Right. Guys, we're going to do 3 instant funded account giveaways today for ASFX TV people. 3. So we're stocked the fuck up. We got a ton of people with their name already on the list. I'm going to put the link one more time, and then we'll do our first one. And then I'll announce it. We'll do 2 other ones later in the stream. So let's get this first duck race going in a minute. Tanner, long? Yes? No?
No, I'm flat. I'm
Just Randy
totally
then right
flat.
now. So I already had one, just to update everybody. I had one long. I'm out, up 158 on each of the 5 accounts, and Randy is sitting in a long right now. I like Randy's. Bookmap is screaming at 6,800, bro. I want to fucking get in this with you, but I'm gonna wait a second. I'll probably, if everything goes well, Randy, I'll get the retest of opening range high, or I'll get another retest, you know, of VWAP a little lower, because I'd like the price around 80. What's your entry price? 80, 82.
82. It's a little high, but I waited a few minutes because I wanted to kind of see what happened with I have it on my other chart with NQ and YM. Just looks great altogether. I can't say
Dude,
shit about it.
RTY is ripping, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Some people say the RTY will like trade really well level to level. Do you agree with that, Tanner? Trades really well level to level.
It will. It's like,
so where are we going? What level are we going to?
It doesn't. Well, it just needs. It wants to sweep these daily highs, which is. Let me pull it up.
Ryan got a long at 80. Of course he did. Ryan's fucking savage. Nice, Ryan.
Right here. Wants to come for these 25 10s.
All-time highs. All-time highs. Now, like when you're that close to all-time highs, doesn't the all-time high become a magnet?
Well, no, that's actually not all-time highs. This is what so this is my thing with like when the other markets hit all-time highs, like this technically isn't. We have a lot of room to go way up towards here still.
Oh.
So 25 up here, 25.78.
Right, because you're talking the Russell. Sorry, my brain
the Russell
and YM together. Yeah.
Yeah. So YM, same deal, right? Like this.
Yeah, but that's right near it.
That's what I wanted today, but this is just running away. I have 0 entry in this. I've just been like this. I didn't have, unless I took this break of VWAP, which I debated at the open. But I was like, I did that yesterday. I don't want to do it again.
You would have been in the same trade as me, and you would have come on stream, and we would have been.
It's okay.
It's all right. Okay. No, it's okay. Day ain't done, dude. Day ain't done. Yeah. Randy, Bookmap. Look at the fucking Bookmap, bro, for ES higher. just screaming heat up there, bro. Just hold this bitch to 6,800, dude.
I want to see if we get a break and retest of the opening range. I'll probably add back in if we get a breakthrough and then pull back to the opening range. I'll look at it.
Randy Gage wants to know what indicator are you using to populate value area high and POC?
So I use something called SVP. It's a free indicator, session volume profile. And then on the 30-minute time frame on electronic trading hours, it'll populate it. And then I have the lines, I just drag and drop them.
There you go.
Beautiful. I'm selling my calls from yesterday, my swing.
Nice.
75%, $520.
Crushed it. Nice, dude.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna do our duck race here in a second. Randy, you want to get that trade back up on screen? How we looking?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, now you're in first break of opening range now. So you don't.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be a little cautious here. I want to see.
We'll get back in if it comes back lower, bro. It's super bullish. Like it's going to 6,800 and maybe higher. But dude, I had a good exit on my first trade. I want to tell you to get out of this one. Just take it. Just get another one. How much are you up? $200, dude. Because you know it's going to come back. I'm sorry, I'm influencing you, aren't I? Let's do the duck race. I won't distract you.
Oh, good, brother.
I'm gonna short this.
Let me use my sim money to pull this down here for you, Randy.
There you go.
10 seconds. So if you're new, everybody, if you're watching on X, if you're tuning in on YouTube, we do this giveaway every Friday. But today we're doing 3, but it's only for people that are subscribed to ASFX TV. And we give everybody a free month of that. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, all you got to do is go to the link in my bio and sign up. You get that first month free. All right, we're doing 3 today, everybody. So we need 3 winners. Let's do the first one. Let's just make sure we have. Oh, see, Randy, I knew it. You should have fucking gotten out. God damn it, Randy. Smash something, dude.
I might short
That's
this.
Tanner's going to short it?
Tanner's going to short it.
I don't know.
Did YM make all-time highs?
Yeah, I had no entry on it. I covered my calls, which is good, but the day trade itself, I just don't have shit.
Yeah, I'll probably get tapped out on this. It's good.
First break of opening range. Don't run.
No, I know. It's all good.
I know. I love you.
This
but
is that Ignite
everyone in the
account
chat heard me try to tell him, right? Like I tried to tell him.
Oh, but dude, it's not.
I know. I want you to make
It's all
money.
good.
Ooh.
It's all
All right,
good, man.
run the duck race. Randy, you go smash a keyboard for us. I'll run the duck race. First giveaway winner, 50K instant funded account from Top One Futures. First one, who's taking it?
Let's see.
The Black Duck's taking the lead. Nope.
Oh, Matt W. ripping, dude.
Matt W.
Not ripping
Very
it.
nice.
Not even
Very
a
nice,
chance.
Very nice. Very nice. We're going to do 2 more. Let's do 1 more right now. We'll give away both right now. Matt, you're our first one. Matt, I'll put the email in the chat for you to reach out. This is a tight race.
Let's
Go,
go.
Will.
Oh.
Nice. That's actually 2 people. So we'll give it to the first name. Joville gets it. Cool. All right, we'll do 1 more giveaway at the end, everybody.
Let's see here. We're getting pushed down towards opening range low.
Yep.
Interesting.
Now this is where the stream gets fun. NQ sideways as a motherfucker. YM ripping, just ripping.
I know.
Yeah. Me and Tanner might get in a fading battle here, everybody. So hang on. Because if you short, now first.
No, I'm looking for. I'm looking for the longs down here, dude.
Okay.
risk reward wise now. Now we're at the bottom. We're at the bottom of the range now. Now I'm looking for the long.
Yo, Randy, somebody in the chat spelled your name with an I. Randy. It's even more.
No, man.
That's the purest Indian way.
No, it's not, man. That's if you're a girl. Come on now. What the fuck? Dude, it's not Randy with an I, it's Randy with a Y.
Come on, get that shit right, bro. Don't put some respect on Randy's name, y'all. Come on.
Yeah, $17 on that trade. Show me some respect. Like seriously.
Bondi Veins.
Hey, Randy, I'm proud of you for not sitting in the trade and making it red. I'd rather you be break even than red. So big W.
But this is the kind of mentality with that account I took a payout on. Like I said, I haven't had a losing day in it.
Right.
So if I have a $17 day and I don't trade again today, I'm good.
Right. I get you. Your win rate's good. Haters so good. Haters will say it's fake.
Yeah.
Lawrence, you got a take for us, bro? Any input?
As far as the markets today,
Yeah.
no, right now. I'm at a point, bro, where I'm just literally, and I was telling Tanner this, man, like, and I'm pretty sure I said this before, but like, I just have like I showed you my trade Zella, bro. Like, once the checklist is checked, then that's it. I have no inputs on the market anymore. I'll get mad. I'll just start getting mad, trying to
feel
figure
you,
this shit out, bro. I just frustrate myself and just break something.
Break something.
Ryan
Yeah.
closed that long for 100, so he got some money out of it. Randy, he took it from
Nice work,
80.
Yeah,
I mean,
he
if
got a
you got
better price
80 to
than me.
88, that's a good one.
I am
I like
interested
it.
in meta swings, though. That's what
Tell
I'm
me why.
interested in.
Tell me why.
Just a basic, just out of a it's just out of the Bollinger Band right now. It's been selling off a little bit, and I think that Meta is going to hit 800 by the end of this year. So that whole psychological number is stopped like around 798. So nice little sell off outside of Bollinger Band on a daily. So nice little extreme play, and
That makes
just
a lot
send the
of sense.
calls for like a few months. Yeah.
The obvious thing is that there will be a lot of amateurs that see the markets at all-time highs and see things going on in the markets, and they'll be bearish. But the statistical thing is that once the Fed starts cutting rates near all-time
Yeah.
highs, 12
Yeah.
out of the last 12 times the market's higher a year later. So it doesn't
Yeah.
matter what narrative you put. Oh, it's the war. Oh, it's the protest. Those are all like smoke and mirrors on the market just still going higher. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe you put a name on, like the market pulled back for 3 days and you blamed it on this thing happening in the world. Well, that may not even really be the reason. It probably isn't, So it's like just seeing the bigger picture and then staying bullish, I think is just the way to go. I don't know how Perma Bears do it. I almost tweeted something today that was going to get the Perma Bears going, dude. But I don't want to get beefed up on a Friday, dude. Can't have too much beef on a Friday.
Yeah. I just don't
Owen
understand like always trying to like call a top type deal. It's just that doesn't make sense to me.
It doesn't make, not in this market. Do it in gold, do it in crude oil, do it somewhere else. Don't do it with the US market unless you like getting plowed. If you like getting bent over and plowed, then do it. Go for it. Be my fucking guest.
You like getting bent over and plowed.
Better
Happy Friday, everyone.
on OnlyFans if you like getting bent over and plowed. You know what I'm saying? Owen said, took the long with Randy at 81, 2 points above VWAP, enter with 1 micro, closed it, adding, re-entered 3, took a $7 loss, getting down the trade. So I think it's the add in there, Owen, got out at 86. Good. I mean, you got 80 to 86. That's good, but be careful with the add in because it'll bring up the buy price, So
that's why I was hesitant on the add in.
Here we go. Something's going on. Look at Bookmap.
Oh yeah.
We have
news
10 a.m.
Yep. Service PMI. Yeah, Randy, good thing you got out of that fucker, bro. Good job, bro. That's my boy, Randy.
I was actually thinking about a short down to like 72.
Okay.
That's where my stop was actually on the first trade.
Okay.
So
interesting looking Bookmap here, right? You got the orders down at 60 and then you got the orders at 90, and 6,800, just splitting it right now. One more comment I was going to make. For those of you that are trading the way we teach in Futures 101 and Futures 2.0, if you were long in here at 80 with Randy and you did take this trade, if you did go red on this, you're not listening to the strategy. First break of opening range does not usually run straight up all day or straight down. So you have to do something with the trade. Randy did good to go break even. I'd recommend taking some off and go break even, because whether it continues, you'll make more money, or it pulls back, you make sure you keep the green. Could we then look for another long on another leg up? Absolutely, right? That's what my markup is showing right now. So see this right here. This is one trade right there. Mid-range entry, stop at opening range low, trade it to opening range high, take profit on the first break. It's exactly what it is in the course. So there's the summary of the day so far. Nothing really at the open. The only open idea was the trade I was in, and that was pre-market. Are we flipping bias now? Delta is actually at 0, Randy.
Yeah, I don't know why my NQ on Bookmap is not working, but my
this 15-minute bar that on NQ that we just had, it's kind of hard to ignore.
Yeah.
YN,
sure. Crazy difference.
NQ sitting on its over previous days New York and previous days point of control, kind of down around there. So
I feel like
over. We just swapped Asia lows here, so let's see how this reacts. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just still not bearish.
Good question in the chat. If 1,000 people on stream take this trade, would you not be in trouble? No, we're trading the sim market. It's not real. All these prop accounts are sim accounts. Tanner's the only one here with a live account. So no, simple answer. No.
And my size isn't affecting shit.
No. Kevin said that mid-range setup has been his favorite setup. Good. Work it, Kev. Like lean into that, brother. NQ took overnight lows, may have to wait for imbalance. Okay. Williams, wait in a second. Short break of range. Yep. Good. Yeah, I think my book map disconnected.
It's gone. And it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. I'm not getting any data on that right now. I don't know.
I got book maps. Mine's still running.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. What I was going to say is when you see this, NQ down now, finally breaking out of that range and moving lower, and then YM up, I get nervous to trade ES because I don't want to get stuck sideways while one indice is going one way, the other indice is going the other way, and then ES usually just goes kind of between the two. So especially if you're green already on the longs, don't be aggressive right now, everybody. We can wait.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's interesting too. The services PMI 50, forecast 50.1. How has that shaken the market that much? Not that that was a lot, but it was like 8 points, which is a lot for today. You know what I mean? It's interesting. How do I refresh this, Randy? Is there a refresh button?
You have to open it. I don't even know how I was trying to do that.
Just going to go like that.
Let's see.
How much is Tanner going to lose today? Hopefully 0.
Dude, this fucking fag, this random this guy comes into our stream every day, bro, and tries to talk shit on me.
Your biggest fan, bro.
It is. He's low-key my biggest fan. He comes in the stream every day, watches it, and all he does is try to talk shit and like rile me up.
He's just beating off.
And then he
like,
claims,
how much money is Tanner gonna lose today? You fucking.
And then he claims that he makes like 50K a day trading, and I'm like,
yeah, dude,
then why are you on YouTube watching other streamers?
Right.
It's like it's a classic clown that's not profitable.
Trolling the chat, but he makes 50K a day. What a chump!
Yeah, imagine,
dude. That is funny. Yeah, I'm getting some. Okay, connection restored. It says. I'm trying to get. There we go. I'm back now. Bookmap's back. Yeah, bro. You know what? That's good. Good. Thanks for the comments, T. Keep them coming. Keep showing up every day, man.
Keep showing up every day, dude. Keep showing up every day.
I had somebody comment. Comment on our podcast saying, "Aren't you guys too old to be trying to be YouTube superstars or something?" And that just fucking made me laugh. And I'm like, "Yes, we are."
Great.
Yes,
that's great. I love that.
Here you are watching our videos, and you're telling me.
I'm telling you, bro. One day you got to come on stream with like eye black on, like a fucking 90s rock star, dude, like Aerosmith, and be like, "Yeah, I'm a YouTube rock star now."
Yeah, exactly.
No, I think it's always good to get different opinions from people and different feedback. He said, "Nice to see Austin got the night vision goggles." Hell yeah, bro. It's good to have the back and forth. It would be weird if the whole chat was like positive, because there's always people just talk shit. I talk shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I talk shit to Randy like almost every stream. That's why I keep him around, so I can throw some shit at him. You know what I'm saying? Look at his face.
Yeah, but I think there's a difference between talking shit, like being fun with it, and like versus this guy's actually butthurt and trying to make a point.
Yeah. Well, he can be butthurt. Don't let him get you butthurt. You don't even know him.
No,
and
yeah, I know. I don't.
You're also like 7 foot tall, so like I would just beat people up if I was your size. I'd be like, "Stop talking to me."
I'm getting error codes on my bookmap too, so whoever's using bookmap, guys, beware.
Okay, we'll
we'll secondary. It might not be live.
Put it in the secondary slot right now. Just stay focused on the price action.
See if the sweep low holds.
I do like. I had a trade earlier this week, Tanner, that looks like what YM is doing right now. ES broke out to the upside on Tuesday. I bought it a little bit later in the morning, but like right here at its opening range high on ES, and it bounced and it went higher.
That's a nice little bull flag on YM, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right. It's coming right into DIA VWAP too. I do kind of like that, but I don't know.
I kind of want to short ES down to previous day's New York VWAP.
I don't know if I like that, because I just what I was going to say to Tanner is NQ is at previous day VWAP. It's right underneath it.
Oh, okay. I kind of like the long here on NQ too, because we just swept Asia lows.
If NQ bounces off this level, YM breaks out off its opening range high, you would say those are then confluence of moves. They're moving higher.
Yeah.
You have 2 levels for it to come off. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
And looking at NQ, that low was previous day's point of control, so I could see what Tanner's saying if Sleepy knows.
Yeah,
lows. And if the buyers are gonna hold it, they're gonna hold that level, which they did on NQ. So now we're sitting on previous days New York, which makes I can see that. Yeah, I'm good. I'm glad you guys pointed that out.
And I'm just looking at the book map here. 90, 67, 90, and then 800 have orders, and then 67 to 61 way down underneath. Very far. These are the levels I'm seeing on my book map, Randy, on screen.
Yeah, I got the same.
This ain't bad. Ain't bad. That was a nice bounce on YM for sure. It was a really good spot. And I like that you said it's lining up with would you say prior day VWAP on NQ?
You're right at it.
Mm-hmm.
I think the price for me is like I like on ES, everybody. I like longs above 80, really, because that's above overnight VWAP and above New York VWAP. So we're getting close. Yeah, NQ is like 25.80. Previous day VWAP is 88. Yes, you look, Tanner, YM bouncing off that opening range high.
Yeah, no, it was a great setup there.
What did you call that, Lawrence? A bull flag? Is that how you saw that? A pennant, like a bull? What is that?
Like a little bull flag.
It's like here's the pole, here's the flag, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
I got long again on ES.
Okay. I'm gonna potentially join you here. I'll be smaller than I was in the first trade on this one too, because I'm already up on the day. I really want to have 3 $600 days and then just take the payout because that's all I need. But I'm not trying to slam it, and then because you know what happens when I slam it, I slam myself.
Yeah, that happens. That happens with the best of us.
What happens when you try to rush out of the car? You slam your face in the car door, or maybe that's just
I plow it. I plow myself.
It's funny, like sometimes I've been doing coaching calls with people. I'm sure Tanner and Lawrence, you have guys like this that have been with you for a while, and like they know the mistakes that they're making, and like you just said, Lawrence, like you do this to yourself. Like you often are like, you know your own shortcomings. You know when you're likely to make mistakes because you've been trading for so long and you work through so many. There's only a few things that usually plague us, and like I feel like it's for us, it's overconfidence. Like you run hot, you break what was working. Like for me, it was run hot, trade New York. I'm confident. Trade Asian session tonight. Loss, fat fucking loss. Like, why did I even do that? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, every time.
And that's just confidence, cockiness.
Yeah.
What's worse? Ready? Here's a good debate. What's worse, overconfidence or trying to call the bottom? Let me give you my thought. Is it worse to be overconfident where you're just running hot, think you can't be wrong, and then you torch yourself because you just can't stop, right? You know you have to be right, and then you end up being a big wrong? Or is it worse to be the kind of person that's like, dude, this guy hasn't hit a winning trade in 3 weeks. He's got to hit the next one winner. He hasn't hit the baseball in 10 times. He's got to hit it today. You know, which one of those mindsets is worse? I wonder.
I don't know.
Tough.
Ooh.
Probably
So the latter.
one.
Yeah, you think the second one is worse?
I think the second one, because like that statistically doesn't make sense over a large of law of numbers. Like, okay, you haven't hit in 6 trades, so you'll hit the 7th. Not necessarily. It doesn't necessarily change the odds over a long period of time.
I was thinking maybe the second one wasn't as bad only because of the law of large numbers. So if I know that if I'm trying to, if whatever I'm doing over a period of time is profitable, it doesn't matter how many times I lose if I just stay consistent. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's kind of like contradicting where it's like, yeah, this next time doesn't have to be a winner, but a winner is going to be due eventually just because of whatever you're doing, like the stats of whatever you're doing.
You're going in on, I got to keep playing.
Exactly. Where overconfidence is like, if you keep swinging for the, bro, you're going to blow, bro. Like you're going to blow, bro.
Blow
like,
bad, dude. And when you blow up on overconfidence, you blow up bad.
Yeah, bro. It's bad. And it hits your ego. That's the worst part. Like it makes you look at yourself differently. You ever seen that meme with that Rottweiler and looking at itself in the mirror?
Yeah.
No,
like have you seen the meme where the guy's in the bathroom pointing at himself in the mirror and then the guy looking back is like making an angry face? That's what it made me think of.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, I got sidetracked reading Tanner's chat. One of your guys was like, T, semi-respectfully, are you retarded?
Dude, that's Chan. Chan is Chan's been trading for like 8 years. He's a great trader. He's a G.
Love it, Chan. Love it, brother. That's awesome.
Yes, we are all somewhat retarded. My mom definitely took Tylenol while she was pregnant, so we all have a little tism. All right, I know your mom did too. Okay,
just a little bit.
Just a little bit, dude. It's a
little
healthy
bit.
version of autism is like, weapon. Who said that? Rob the Bank said
Wep-
like weaponized
weaponized
autism.
autism.
That shit was so
Weaponized
true, bro.
autism is crazy.
You put somebody that can lock in at a computer in front of like an e-commerce store, or even
Oh
trading,
my
dude, and just see what
God.
they do. They take over the world, bro. Weaponized autism.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of this question? You guys have a lot more experience than me. So Gerson's asking, ES swept all-time highs and rejected heavily. Does that have any weight on the longs at all?
I think that's dependent on the trader. I would say for me, no. Because like I would think that the markets will drift higher. If you traded that way, oh, we swept the longs, we got to come down. Well, what about all the times we make, like this year, we've made all-time highs so many times. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you will lose a lot. I think if you, maybe on the downside that works on the indices, but I don't know if I would worry about sweeping upsides because we make higher highs all the time.
Yeah.
That's my opinion.
I got you. Cool. Hopefully that helps, Gerson. I was looking for the same
Gerson.
answer too. So
Gerson. All right, I'm along with you, Randy. I'm on the right side of the VWAP.
Let's see it.
what price did you get?
I got 79.75.
Yeah, pussy.
Right on the other side of the VWAP. Where's your stop, Randy? Mine's at 70 right now.
My stop is 68.50, but I will want to see.
Summon a boner candle, Randy.
Summon it.
Get the flute, Randy.
Well, actually, I'm using this new concept I'm working on. It's called the
To summon
TRG,
the
the
boner
Randy.
candle?
No, it's called the Randy Gap. It's
The Randy
basically-
Gap, the TRG.
Yeah, it's basically an order block.
Okay.
Oh my God, you're the new
Okay, here we go. The new ICT.
I mean that. What do you mean ICT? It's the TRG, motherfucker. Who's
TRG.
Oh
ICT?
yeah, there you go. It's
And
a
it rhymes.
TRG, bro. It's
Crazy.
different.
We're gonna break
Yeah.
the internet today,
Different.
everybody. You just heard it first.
Oh
TRB
my
to kill the
God.
ICT.
I
You
love
watch
it.
all my markups will be the TRG, the Randy Gap.
Fast forward 5 years, it's Randy and like looking like one of them Indian guru guys sitting at the front of a conference and a bunch of like 17-year-old kids coming in and like bowing to him.
Can you imagine me sitting cross-legged on a pillow with my legs
You do
crossed,
not
my
see the
laptop
breaker
in
block
front
like
of me?
me. You do not see it.
Oh my God,
man.
I love it.
Just pay attention to my markups. I'll have it in there. It'll be funny. It's good.
Yeah.
I like it. Well, why can't I coin my own term? Like, why do I have to
Dude,
use?
fucking coin it, bro? I'll help you coin it. I'll pay for the copyright. Coin it.
Coin it.
Yeah, what do we think about this? Adelina said in the chat, she said Verizon is doing first round of World Cup next year. Their access in 4 hours for the New Jersey game. Should I buy World Cup tickets and try to flip them? Is that a stupid idea?
No, that sounds like the most
No.
authentically Jewish thing you would do.
It was my wife's idea. She's German. So I've just trained her well, bro. I got her on the right mindset. I got her on that business
Oh my
mindset.
God.
I don't know. I just feel like people will pay an arm and a leg once it comes down to it, when we're closer to it. You know what I mean? People will want to be there.
Austin's the guy that goes in September and buys all the Labubu dolls or whatever is going to be hot for Christmas, and then
my
resells them to everybody just before Christmas for 10 times the markup because they're sold out and you can't buy them anywhere.
I'll tell you real fast. My wife is very entrepreneurial too. When she was a kid, her dad and his best friend did that. That was what they did. This is 20 something years ago, right? 25 years ago. So they would go to the toy, like whatever was popping, they'd figure it out. They'd go buy it out. They'd sell it on Amazon, and they were making a killing selling stuff on Amazon. This is way back when toys first went on Amazon. Crazy. So she was helping them repackage toys, reprice the toys, the whole thing, bro.
That's awesome.
They may have also sold some illegal DVDs and CDs too, but I think it's past the time frame where the FBI can go get them. So,
Dude, every entrepreneur has to sell something illegal in their life. It's just
quote that. Put that on a T-shirt.
It's just part of what has to happen, man. It's just like that's it.
Toys, DVDs, drugs, ass. You got to
Ass.
sell something.
Sell that ass. Yes,
Sell that
Gage in the
ass.
chat said, don't a lot of Jewish guys resell watches? Yeah, in New York. I like watching those videos on Instagram.
Vucum, dude. I
Vucum,
love
dude.
watching Vucum, bro. It's like addicting.
It's not just Jews. It's like the Arabic guys, the Persian guys, like it's the Middle Eastern guys. The
Mm.
Middle Eastern guys just are tough negotiators, like the Indians. Like there's certain cultures that are just tough negotiators. So you can, when you watch them go at it, it's fun. Ryan got 79.
So I just added into my trade.
Oh, fuck, Randy. Don't get overconfident now, dude.
No, that's good.
No, I mean, 67.90 looks so good on Bookmap. It's like, are we going to get straight cash on this one, everybody? Straight cash Friday?
Straight cash
profit,
Friday.
Straight profit to 90. Double my P&L for the day on half a position size of this fucking first trade. That'd be sick.
Yeah, I don't really got anything, man.
Yeah, me neither.
I kind of like the sweep of Asia low that's holding on Qs with that prior day VWAP, like you said. But now we're rejecting 100 really hard. I don't know.
Robert said, what are your Project X VWAP settings? All I do, Robert, is I use like the VWAP over here on the left side, like this thing, and I just put it where I need it. I don't have any VWAP settings or any indicators. And then it's always open, high, low, close 4, OHLC 4, because that takes the whole candle and then divides all of it evenly as a mean, divided by all 4 price points. Open, high, low, and close. Yep, you're welcome.
Open, high, lows, close.
Yeah,
Dude,
see,
you and
I knew we'd get along. I'll see you next week. We could talk hustler stories. She's got that Eastern European Bulgaria vibes, bro. She knows they hustle. The Russians, the Eastern Europeans, they hustle too, bro. You know, it's no joke.
I was selling doctor notes in my high school in Bulgaria.
You get after it, bro.
Yeah, I love it.
Someone's got to eat. Yeah, see this guy. Does this guy Austin stop talking?
I'm telling you, he's just a shit talker, dude. This guy, like, I think he legitimately has like a really. I think he is like one of those guys that has like a really sad life, and he tries to find validation by coming on YouTube and talking shit on people that give him attention back. So I'm like,
well, he can come hang out, dude. This is why
he can come hang out.
If you want to pay $100 a month, come to ASFX TV. You could pay me, and you could talk shit to me all you want, dude.
Yeah, dude, come pay Austin.
Come pay my bills, brother. Yeah, come on over.
Absolutely.
And it's like, pay me $100 a month, I'll punch you in the face. As many times as you want.
Yeah.
No, but you know, I think that was a hill I'll still die on. Is like nobody comes to ASFX TV in our actual chat and talk shit because no one's going to pay money to be an asshole. Like that's just not how it's going to be.
That is true. That is true.
Unless you're really, really bored, you know.
Yeah. Just one of those days.
He said, of course you're after me for a payment, grifter. Yeah, if I ask you for payment for service, I'm grifting.
Classic.
Like I had a guy here doing the drywall this morning, $12,000 to finish the basement, which is I think pretty reasonable for how big the basement is.
Dude, he's a grifter.
He's a grifter, dude. He's doing 4 days worth of drywall work. He's grifting for $12,000.
It's funny because like those type of dudes think that like that really bothers us, and I'm like,
dude, honestly, the word grifter makes me feel I don't know why. It just reminds me of grip my balls. Like it seems like a very sexual like, grip my balls, bro. That's what I want to say back.
That's funny. Damn, the YM was such a good play today. That was it. It just ripped too fast to the open. Just had nothing to work with.
Is it still going?
YM looks great.
It's still going. It's ripping, dude. It's fucking just off to the races. That initial pullback we talked about was like the really good one.
Yeah, so let me show you. I actually have that trade pulled up from Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Check this out. Nope. Wednesday. This one. Look at that. So you can see choppy on the open, comes out the top, off opening range high. I put a hand off VWAP and I used that and then just caught more drift. That was it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping that like what I was saying to you before, here's that blue VWAP down here, Tanner. That's the previous day VWAP on NQ. So we're still sitting around it, you know? So
yeah,
this will bounce higher to pull ES up a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like if we're kind of digesting it and we don't break below it too aggressively, maybe if this 5-minute bar can engulf this looks really decent for the long.
Christine got edged on her TP Tanner style today. Well, you missed it. He was saying Tanner does his edging like I do my edging now. So you should do your edging the same way.
There's nothing wrong with getting edged on a Friday. So.
Nah, dude, everybody's trying to get edged on Friday. Come on, what are you talking about?
Literally.
Dude?
Oh, let's see.
Come on, let's take these. What is this?
Well, your ES trade should be fucking cruising because
YM's not moving. YM's
not moving. If NQ can finally line up and fucking push higher, it'll definitely get you guys some more juice.
Yeah, it's interesting how Tanner said NQ rejected the hundreds. So I'm kind of watching that. See if we can get a pop above the 100. Which I did my book map for NQ work. If anybody's NQ book map is working, are there orders there at 100 at 25,100?
Kevin's already done 3 for 3 plus 183 on all of his accounts. That's good.
Nice. Yeah, NQ is the only damn thing holding up ES from wanting to look like YM.
I know.
Let's do this last giveaway. I got one more instant funded account. Let's run this. I forgot we're going to do this. Don't want to forget. Here we go. Last giveaway, everybody. This is for ASFX TV people only. If you want to be a part of this, you got to sign up for ASFX TV. Just click the link in my bio. That'll get you access to our live chat, the courses, everything we do. CJ. I know, CJ. Happy to get that to you, buddy. Congrats.
Nice.
Easy. 3 accounts given away. Done.
Mm.
All right, now let's focus on this trade here. Back to VWAP a little bit here, Randy. The orders above still tell me we want to stay in this at least to 90, Randy. It looks like. I know that sounds far, but like, look how high. I mean, it's not an algo. It's nothing. It's just orders at 90. Like, I got to take profit in at 89.50.
I got to take profit at 86.50 will be max daily profit for me on these accounts. So let's see.
Adam says, any UK traders experiencing lag on Project X? If you are, Adam, just don't trade. If you're having any issues, don't put yourself in a trade and put yourself in a dirty spot. Good news is there will be more options from a lot of these firms as time goes on. Lucid just rolled out that they have Trade of 8. I know Top One's trying to do that. There's a lot of firms just adding more platforms. It's only Top Step that really took platforms away. Correct me if I'm wrong, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Interesting.
So who's traded with Lucid? I see Lucid is getting
I've been trading them on the side. I took a $12,000 payout from them. Like
side chick Lucid. Hello.
How was the process?
A few
Any
weeks
hiccups?
ago. Any what?
Any hiccups?
No, honestly, it's very fast. Like it's very fluid and fast. I got nothing bad to say about Lucid. So
Okay,
I'm pretty close to another $6,000 payout with them. Actually, I only need one more day. I think I get a $6,000 payout with them. So
Nice.
it's a side questing.
Randy, I'm going to scream about it. Look at these orders, everybody, here on Bookmap. See how I really don't have much below? And we have these orders up here. That's what I'm trading into. Does it work 100% of the time? No, but it does work majority of the time. So we have also structure up here from the high at 950 this morning. So 88, 89 is a great area for take profit. You have orders here, but there's also more above. You want to go to 6,800 today? Have at it on ES. It's not algo controlled, so I could see it being filled. And it's not like in this moment, Randy, wouldn't you agree? If this was going to leg down, you would think the sellers would have shown more of their hand here. This is buyers in control so far.
100%, but don't be surprised if we get a little bit of a pullback. I'm not saying it's going to take out that previous higher low, but just in my opinion, with YM being at all-time highs and NQ sitting where it is, YM's got room to pull back a little bit, and ES could want to follow that. So I wouldn't be alarmed.
Saying it's going to go down because it goes up when you say that. So keep talking.
Yeah, I'm talking something through in my head, right? So I don't cut my trade early.
Right.
It's just so I'm prepared to be like to sit through a little bit of drawdown, knowing that YM, if it had a little bit of pullback and NQ sitting sideways, could slow ES down for a sec. That's just kind of what I'm thinking, looking at all three.
Sure.
But I do want this thing just to rip my face off and go higher. Would be amazing on a Friday.
That's what we all want.
Still have no entry for NQ, bro. That's crazy.
It's kind of trying to bait
here.
You have a 2-minute. No, dude, I'm just chilling, man. I just like I don't like NQ exactly where it is, but I could see this thing following through right here. We put in kind of like some higher lows right around, and we swept Asia lows, and then also just everything else ripping. Like this NQ probably wants to play team catch up and catch up to everything. All I know is I have UNH on the side here, and it's just ripping, and I love it.
Randy, I'm half out there, brother. Half out at 85.
Yeah, I'm on a 2-minute chart. I'm gonna bring my stop up to 82. I'm in 20 contracts, so.
Atta boy.
Wow, big dick energy.
Yeah.
20 minis.
I'm literally
Look at
getting
this, Austin. This looks great, bro. Look at that. Look at that fucking hold of B-Wall, dude.
I had two.
And there you go. I'm out. Sorry, guys. Max profit for the day. I'm done.
Let's go. W.
Good shit.
No, so this should hit take profit. And then I had Monday flat. Tuesday was great, $1,500, 2 trades. But Wednesday, Thursday this week was break even. Wednesday, I lost first. And Wednesday, I won first and then lost the second trade, gave it back. Thursday, I lost first and won it back. So I had to wash those 2 days. Now these 2 green days, Tuesday and today, no trading Monday. It's a good week, you know? It'd be like three grand this week on the 5 accounts. Let's see if 90 wants to take. I'm going to take one more off here just to be safe. Need to be greedy. Push this up a little bit.
Guys, I'm stoked for LA, man. So
I can't wait to see you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's
wait,
gonna
we're
be
doing
fun.
we're doing the comedy store on.
No, we
Yeah,
pulled the
so
plug
we
on
gotta
that
have a
10
chat.
minutes.
We gotta have a chat after stream. Actually, let's stick around for a few
Yeah.
minutes and have a little
Yeah.
powwow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, can't wait to see everybody. It's going to be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Mhm.
super fun.
It's good. It's gonna be the precursor for Tampa, and I have. I'm planning on just like a personal transformation from now until Tampa. So
Wait, so
something to look
you're in Mexico for? Are you going back to Mexico after LA?
Yeah, I'm going back to Mexico. Then I go back to Vancouver at the end of the month, and then in March we come back to Mexico for 2 months. We
Oh
booked
my
the same
goodness.
spot we're staying in.
Oh
So
my
Tanner,
goodness.
if you want in the spring, hit me up. Like, let's come down. Like, come down for a weekend. We got we got a 2-bedroom place, so we got room for you guys.
Okay, I'm down.
It's a cool town, dude. You'd love it. And Christine's right across the street from me.
Oh,
Like, I
that's
could throw a
sick.
rock
No way.
at Christine's
What?
house.
That's so cool.
Christine's been going there for a long time with her family.
Oh, that's rad.
Okay. Randy, in
Hey,
anything or
listen,
done?
Austin.
I'm still here.
Oh, how come you can't see my screen when you pull it up? It should show you the other. That's weird. Oh, yeah, that's all I wanted to show you.
Look at that.
Temporarily deactivated
Daily
personal
profit
daily
target.
profit
Good job,
target
buddy.
hit.
Nice.
Great day.
That's why I
Great
added
week.
in, because I wasn't trying to capture a big move. I knew that we could get a push to the 86s. So I added in, brought my risk up, and got taken out of my trade. So
Great week, bro.
Love
Really good week.
Killer. Good job, bro.
Tanner, what
Thank
do you
you.
think now? Do you at this time of the day on a Friday, first hours in the bag? Lawrence, you too. Do you guys pull the plug? Would you end your stream early? Like, what would you guys do at this point in the morning?
Yeah, on a Friday, like,
yeah.
dude, yeah. Like, I want to just end the week on like a good note. So it's like I caught that swing too. So it's like that's
Right.
kind of the thing I like about the swing trades is I just don't feel a pressure to day trade as much. Me and Lawrence have been talking about this more. It's like when the swings are hitting and you're in something, I'm just like, I don't gotta force anything here, type of deal.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, my YM, little swing hit, little $600 on the Friday, real money, not fucking no sim money. So
No sim money.
Yeah.
I'll take
Yeah.
it. I'll take it.
It'll be really good next week, everybody. I mean, it's great stream here on a Friday to finish. Get ready for LA next week. So next week, everyone, I'll be on stream Monday and Tuesday, and then Randy's with us in the beginning of the week. But then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, don't count on us being here. Thursday, we're going to try to tune in. We're going to try to stream. But I wanted to, Tanner, I got to talk to you too. Like, you're staying in a hotel in LA. Maybe you come over in the morning and trade with us.
Yeah, that might be cool.
Maybe.
That might be cool. Yeah,
We
we'll
gotta work
see.
on our
I mean, it
details.
depends how late we're out at the comedy store. I don't want to wake up at fucking 6 a.m., 5
Well,
a.m.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we'll talk. We'll talk.
Yeah, so
But we can, I think we can put a pin in it. Everybody sees the second trade here for me. So I'm up 230 on each account, running this one contract left. Got the 5 accounts copy traded. I'm going to put a take profit in rate under 6,800. So I'll either get a break even on this one contract or we'll add another $100 to the P&L. So there's orders up there. Let's see if she goes. But we'll leave you guys here, everybody. Have a great weekend. We appreciate you always tuning in, being here with us on Friday. Make sure you hit the link in my bio. Tune in to ASFX TV next week. First month is free. And then Tanner, Lawrence, strongtrading.com. Definitely check out what they've got going on. Discord, the whole thing, coaching calls, the whole 9 yards. So, boys, thank you. See you, everybody. Have a great
Yeah.
day.
Bro.